My good buddy Tom here has come to observe and assist. He's built his own very easy from scratch, taking how long? How long did it take? How long did it take? 20 years? No. 20 years.
No, it hasn't taken that long.
Okay.
10 years.
So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna pull this apart and not put this Hysol on this edge. I'm going to pull it apart and squeeze it up underneath after I get this in position.
That's a mess.
Yeah, can you pull that? Oops. There we go. Here we go. Now what do you think I have to do? I guess I have to put some glue under there and under here. And then put a few squiggles in the other side here. Keep it lined up. You like my Cleco holder?
Absolutely.
Litter box lid.
One of the best ways.
Oh, look at that. Things don't usually work out that like that. Let's see. Get a little paintbrush there. Maybe one of these would work.
A couple of them.
Yeah. I think you could get this in a hypodermic syringe and squirt it in there.
Yeah, actually you can. You want one?
I got one over there in a cabinet over there in the very top.
I have kind of a small one, which is about that big with a curved tip on it.
There's one lurking right there on the top shelf of that farthest the metal cabinet.
Yeah. Want me to grab that for you?
Sure. Maybe we can run another experiment. The end is probably sealed off, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little red plug on it.
Oh, yeah. Maybe a little popsicle stick. Here, Dennis, you know how to do this on this stuff.
They load it up to your spatula.
I like these syringes like this.
Except it just squirt out.
Yeah, little carpules. Oh, these are farming. Tooth modeling and stuff. Comes in that, doesn't it?
Sometimes. You get all kinds of deliveries anymore.
you get any allergy reactions to any of the epoxies?
Oh, yeah, I do.
You do?
Yep.
Then what do? You just
Itch.
itch?
I itch.
Yeah, this is one of those ammonia type, doesn't smell like it.
Huh. Actually, doesn't have to smell.
Is that the kind that usually gets you, is the kind that has ammonia in it, or?
I don't know. I didn't figure it out. I just washed my hands afterwards.
Is that the kind?
Yeah.
Oh, we need to cut the end off.
Yeah, that's a pretty small one.
There's a scissors right there.
Right here.
Oh man, that was worth the effort. Look at that.
Makes it pretty clean.
Yeah.
All right, so did Howard work on the velocity today?
I don't know. I didn't see him when I was out there, but I didn't come until,
Till later.
yeah, a couple hours ago.
Oh yeah, have to work, huh?
Well, I was sorting out this video thing. You'd think they have that kind of all figured out. But you can't just put the software in and the camera and have it all work.
Yeah.
At least not yet. What do you think?
Cleco time.
Frugal kind of person I am.
Hey, don't up here. Don't waste a bit.
But a syringe really works. It's worth the time hacking it.
Hello. Still here at the airport. Yeah, I figured out. Anyway, are you on your way now? I'm gonna be on my way if you are. Okay. All right. Let me close up and get I'll get about 2 minutes, okay? I talked to her. She wants you to go to the grocery store. Okay. All right. Talk to you in 2 minutes. Bye. Get in. Get on with it.
Thanks for the visit.
Hey, it's good to keep in touch with how you're doing on this thing. I want to build one someday.
Yeah, all right.
We'll see.
Well, I'm going to have a whole series of videos so you can just say, gee, I wonder how he did that, and then it'll be right there.
There you go.
And then I won't have to come over to your hangar and go, well, let's see, I think I
did this.
did that, but...
Oh boy. See you later.
Thanks, Tom.
What have you got here? A step-up transformer?
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's a step down.
Step down.
Yeah, it takes the 220 that runs the hanger opener
Yeah.
and separates it into two 120.
So that you can.
Keith did that for me.
Yeah. So you can have a little electricity.
Yeah, as a, you know, I don't run it when I run the opener, but when the hanger door's down, I have 2 extra circuits.
Well,
One
that's a
that's
good
going
idea.
up and down.
That's a good idea. See you later.
So long. I'm not sure that has all the glue. Oh yeah. Time to mix another batch. I didn't think it would take 3